if you want to get the Google camera on your POCO C65, so for sure you can do this, and I'm going to show you step by step how to get it. So first of all you have to do is just to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and next you will have to open the Play Store. And from the Play Store you will have to download the application named GCam. So that's this application. That's the Gran Turismo developer, and when you download it you have to open it. So that's basically it, and here you will start from this screen. It will look like this, and you will have the notification that your camera model is disabled. But I'm gonna show you how to move forward. So you have to click right here, and on the search pool you have to type POCO. And now we have to scroll down all the way down to get the highest version of the Google camera that is actually on this application. And there is on the POCO M3 Pro. When I open the F4 GT, that's also Android 11, but when I go, for example, for the F4, or maybe for the F1, that's Android 10. So you have to get the Android 11, and in my case, the M3 Pro is working really good. So we have to click to start downloading. And when you click on it, you will have this ad that you can turn off on the left upper corner, skip the video, close the ad, and now when you scroll down you can actually see the progress of the downloading. So it will take a lot of time because this file is actually around the 500 megabits, and after the download you will have some on-screen instructions that you have to follow, but all you have to do is just to go into your files. Of course, when the download is finished, you have to go into your file manager on the POCO phone, go into the APK files and locate one of this file. So you will have to click on it and basically install. That's the APK file. You will have to go into the settings, allow to install apps from the unknown sources, then click right here on this switcher, and after this time disappear, you will have to click OK. There we go. And now you will have to install. In my case, there's the update button because I already had this application, but normally you will have install button. And after this, you will just have this Google camera on your phone. So it appears on the app drawer next to the original POCO camera, and you will be able to open it. And that's basically it. And of course, you can find here all options of the Google camera like photosphere, panorama, and that's all. Of course, if you want to know how it works, I mean the quality of the photos, for sure I'm going to show you small comparison on this button, but the full review of the Google camera and the POCO camera I will have on my channel for like 1 or 2 weeks, so just subscribe and wait for it. So now let's take the photo with this Google camera, maybe like this. And now I'm gonna take the same photo from the same position from the POCO camera. There we go, the photos were taken. So now let's see how it looks. That's photo taken with the normal camera on the POCO. It looks good. We can find some details, and maybe we can try to see some difference between this Google camera. Okay, so it was also taken, and that's the comparison. So I'm not sure, but there's like no big difference, honestly. Maybe we can find some more vivid colors. You know what, I'm gonna screenshot this one and open this preview, and we are going to make the comparison. There we go. Let's open the screenshots right now. So I'm really interested if it will be any visual difference. Okay, so that's how it looks. What do you think about this one? For me it looks almost the same. There's like no difference. So maybe there's no difference on this kind of the photos, but definitely I'm gonna try some outdoor photos with the, you know, high dynamic range from the portrait photos, and maybe it will show us some difference. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.